Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I needed to sew a couple of things on my backpack. The zipper went down too far and I needed to sew it. So I ordered myself this little sewing kit here. It says it is the Coquimbo Sewing Kit, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here and what it comes with. So let me open it up here. It came all pieces and parts here, but this is the kit itself without the rolls, neatly organized. So I'm going to neatly organize them here again for you, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. So you can see, like when I'm putting them in, it looks like it fits 3 per section here. 1, 2, 3. But you see you've got all the different colors. So it comes with the little scissors, it comes with some little snaps. These are little snaps. It came with a little measuring tape, some safety pins, the buttons, and I don't know, I guess this is just a huge needle. I don't know what this is, like some sort of thimble thing, I guess, to keep your finger from getting too messed up. I'm gonna guess, I don't know. And then it also came with a whole ton of needles. Look at that. You got every needle you could ever want, and some pins and a needle threader. So you get all the different pieces and parts to it. So it's a nice little kit here, and once I get it all put together, it folds up. It has never been folded before, but then it folds up like this and zips closed, so then I can have it and just keep it handy. So kind of like this thing. I like the idea of it. Here's what it looks like here on the manual there. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.